Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a half French with an outline design. Yeah, y'all will see later in the video. But as you can see, I already prepped my nails. So I filed them, buffed them, and wiped them with alcohol. And now I'm just going to go in with my nude shade and paint them.
You can't be replaced. So no one else can like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give. All day long, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Okay, y'all, so I cured the nails and now we're going to go in for our second coat. And you're just going to do the same thing you did in the beginning. Just paint the nails and make sure it's all evenly coated. So I'm not going to show y'all me painting the second coat for like all the nails. So yeah. Okay, so I cured the nails for 60 seconds. And now we're going to put some base coat. And I use foundation by Beetles. Y'all look a little beat up because I've had it for a minute. But I'm just going to put the base coat on all of my nails since we are going to go in and do a design on top of them.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true. I'm digging you.
Okay, y'all, so I just took the nails out of the lamp and I had them in there for 60 seconds. But now I'm just taking some alcohol and a napkin to just remove that sticky layer from the base coat and just remove the shine so that we can start on the design. Okay, so now that I'm done wiping the nails off with alcohol, we're going to get started on the design. So I'm using a long striping brush, and I'm just going to create a smile line until we get to the middle of the nail. And I'm trying to, I did it really slowly, but it might look fast because I sped the video up a little bit. But I'm just trying to get that perfect smile line and make sure my lines are straight. Okay, so now I did the outline for the French, and I'm just going to cure it for 60 seconds and start on the next nail. So I'm going to just speed this part up, and you guys can just watch me do the outlines, and I'll talk to y'all when I'm filling them in.
I think I need you. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here.
Alright, y'all, so now I'm just gonna fill in where I did the outline and make sure everything is nice and neat.
It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's not the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I can make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away, palm trees, beach views, and everything. All I wanna do is send the pictures on replay. Right next to you, you do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but you don't really want. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. You, I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you
Okay, y'all, so I cured it for 60 seconds in the lamp, and I'm gonna go in with my second coat of the green polish. But I'm just gonna skip that part in the video so you guys won't have to watch that again. It's basically just me doing the same thing over. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys when I get to doing the white outlines. Alright, y'all, so now that I took the nail out the lamp, I'm gonna go in with my white and just make a straight line and then curve it towards the middle of the French tip. So you want to be careful with this to make sure you're not making your lines too long or too short. And it did take me a couple of tries to get it, exactly how I wanted to, but in the end it came out really cute. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch this.
Then dip me underway. You can feel me on my foot, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Alright, y'all, so I finished doing the outlines, and I'm just going to cure this in the lamp for 60 seconds. Okay, y'all, for some reason, the ending of the video got cut out, but this is what the nails look like when I was done. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, comment, share, And make sure you subscribe to our channel because we're coming hard all 2022 and you don't want to miss it. Also, make sure you follow us on all of our social medias. They will be linked down below. And yeah, bye.